Alrighty, today we got a 720 Nissan pickup, 1985. Tried searching the problems for what I'm having here. There ain't very many videos on YouTube concerning this truck, so figure I'd make one because I'm sure someone else out there is having the same issues I am. So what got going on today is my reverse lights will not turn on, but all my other tail lights will work just fine. So pretty much you're just going to need 8mm wrench, screwdriver, and test probe. And you got your screws on the back side there to pop the lens off, 8mm, pull them off, and then you're going to want to look down here at your reverse light socket and take your probe and test this, see if there's power actually in the socket, and if not, go ahead and test these wires right here. Red is obviously your hot, black's your ground, pretty straightforward. On this side, in this case, the reason why it wasn't working is I just had a bad blown bulb. Pretty simple, pretty easy, but as far as the other side, I still didn't have reverse lights even though I replaced the bulb. So at that point, you just start checking wires, see if you have power to here, and if you don't have power at all, your next best option is just to go ahead and check your fuses. If your fuses are good, then you're going to want to crawl right underneath the pickup, down underneath here. For a camera to focus. Anyway, you're going to want to check this switch right here, which is the switch for kicking on your reverse lights. In my case, obviously you can tell that the wire got ripped off, so I just crimped a new connector on there, plugged it in, and now they work just fine. If they're not ripped off and you got a good fuse, odds are the switch itself is bad, in which case just unbolt it, go down to a hardware store, or not hardware, I'm sorry, auto parts store, and just pick up a new one, throw it in, reconnect it, and it should work just fine. If you don't, then you're going to have to start chasing wires because you got a broke wire somewhere. But a lot of times it's just going to be that switch right there. So try to keep this short and sweet for you. Best of luck to y'all.